So students, today we are of learn about the topic topic genetic disorder. Genetic disorder. What are the genetic disorders? The word means genetic, the disorder which are caused by the changing in the genes. Changing in the genes, alteration in the composition of genes is known as the genetic disorder. Then the genetic disorder is two types. Mendelian disorder, and second is chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorder and second is chromosomal disorder. So first of all, we know what are the Mendelian disorder. Examples of Mendelian disorder: the disorder which follows the Mendel's law, Mendel's rule, is known as Mendelian disorder. The Mendelian examples of Mendelian disorder is differentiated into autosomal disorder, and second is the chromosomal and sex chromosome chromosomal disorder. Autosomal means the changings which occurs in the autosomes. Chromosome has different two types, autosomes and sex chromosome. The 44 autosomes are present in the human bodies, in which the changing leads to various physiological as well as morphological changes in the body of the humans. Autosomal and sex chromosomal, the changing which are related to the changes on the sex chromosome, that is X or Y, is known as. Example: sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria, etc. Various disorders occurs in the human body by the changing of the autosomes. Whereas sex chromosomal changing, mainly two. Number one, hemophilia, and second is color blindness. Color blindness. Two disorders which are occurs by changing in the chromosomes X or Y. So today we are first learn about the disorder hemophilia and color blindness. Hemophilia. What is the hemophilia? It is a X-linked disease. It is a X-linked disorder. The genes of these disorders are located on the X chromosome, so it is known as the X-linked disease. In this disease, the genes which are responsible for a formation of a specific protein which help in the clotting or composition of the clotting protein abnormals. Due to the abnormalities, the clotting in the humans delay. If any cut or wound occurs in the body, the clotting does not stop in the proper time. Due to this, large amount of blood's loss of the body, and it may leads to death. It generally occurs in male, but rarely females are affected to this disease. Inheritance of hemophilia. Inheritance of hemophilia. Inheritance of hemophilia. Various probabilities occurs when the cross makes between different male and females. For example, number one, when a normal male marry with the carrier female, normal male marry with carrier female, then the result of the crossing is as नॉर्मल मेल है XY और मैरी विथ कैरियर फीमेल, बट नॉर्मल फीमेल कैरियर है लेकिन नॉर्मल है, उसमें डिसीज नहीं है। H रिप्रेजेंट हीमोफीलिया जीन्स, तो XH X and XHY, XXXY. There is 50% females are normal and 50% क्या है? फीमेल्स नॉर्मल, 50% females are normal but carrier they have genes of hemophilia but they are not affected to disease. ठीक, इनमें हीमोफीलिया का जीन्स है लेकिन डिसीज नहीं होती है. एंड 50% males are normal, 50% males are normal and 50% males are hemophilic. मतलब 50% ये क्या है? अफेक्टेड पर्सन हो गया. इट द नॉर्मल, इसमें हीमोफीलिया के कैरेक्टर्स आ गए. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन व्हेन द नॉर्मल मेल मैरी विद द कैरियर फीमेल. द सेकेंड कंडीशन, hemophilic male marry with normal female. Hemophilic male marry with normal female. मीन्स एक हेमोफीलिया से ग्रसित व्यक्ति है, पर्सन है, जो एक नॉर्मल फीमेल, जिसको ना तो हीमोफीलिया है ना तो वो कैरियर है, उससे मैरिज होती है. तो उस कंडीशंस में जो उसके ऑफस्प्रिंग्स होंगे, उनके जो बच्चे होंगे, उसमें क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी हो सकती है? डिसीज होगी कि नहीं होगी? कौन कैरियर होगा, कौन नॉर्मल होगा? हीमोफिलिक मेल है, XHY, XX, XH, X, XY and XY. Here the 100% males are normal. जितने भी मेल्स हैं सब नॉर्मल्स हैं, उनमें हीमोफीलिया रोग नहीं होगा, डिसीज नहीं होगी, बिकॉज दे हैव नो जीन्स ऑफ द हीमोफीलिया. हियर 100% females are normal but carrier इनमें डिसीज नहीं होगी, लेकिन ये कैरियर का काम करेंगी. मतलब बीमारी को एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन या जिससे इनकी मैरिज होगी और उनके बच्चों में ये डिसीज पहुंच जाएगी. दिस इज द टू पैटर्न्स ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ हीमोफीलिया. एंड the third pattern is as hemophilic male marry with carrier female. Then XHY XH X XH X XH Y XH and XY. Here the result is 50% females are hemophilic. 50% females are hemophilic. And 50% females are normal but carrier. Here 50% males are hemophilic. And 50% males are normal. So here the females are affected to the hemophilia when the two genes are present on the X chromosome, then female is affected. So this is the pattern of hemophilia in the humans. The genetic disorder, it was first occurs in the country England. The president of the Victoria families. Today the complete hemophilia. What is hemophilia and the inheritance of hemophilia, percentage of their children's when they cross in the different manners. Okay.